Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your time zone here in Zoho People. All right, if you're just an employee, you can go ahead and go to home right here. Make sure that you're under your space. Okay. Now click on overview. Now once you're in here, go to the top right and click on three dots. Now click on personal preferences. All right. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and click on the time zone right here. We have a drop down. Now go ahead and select your specific time zone. All right. And do not forget about the change your country as well. If you change your time zone, and once done, just click on submit and you're good to go. Now, if you are a super admin and you wanted to change an individual user's time zone, just go ahead over to operations right here at the bottom left, click on it. Now go ahead and click on employee information. All right. Once done, go ahead and find the specific employee that you wanted to change the time zone. For example, Tristan right here, just click on it. And in here, if you have the paid version of Zoho People Plus, you can go ahead and find the time zone section right here. Just basically click on the drop down, and just like what you did earlier under your own profile, you can go ahead and select the time zone. All right. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.